mid of the ongoing Paris Fashion Week, which has been nothing less than a smoke show. The fashion police have been hooked to the internet to be the witness of creativity the designers can bring to the ramp. And nobody, including us, was left underwhelmed. Fashion has peaked in the ongoing week, and so has the Indian presence at the do. Ace designer Rahul Mishra debuted a new easy-to-wear label called AFEW, an acronym representing air, fire, earth and water. So those of you who always wish to sport a piece from the designer, this easy-to-wear luxury collection is tailored keeping in mind the modern woman's wardrobe. Khushi Kapoor, on the other hand, attended the Dior show dressed like this. She looked chic in a pristine white sleeveless classic A-line mini dress paired with black pointed toe heels and a Dior bag. Her Dior tribalist silver earrings and a black punk choker were exactly what this whole look needed. Blackpink's Jisoo also attended the Dior show in an all-black look. Rosie from the group also made a front row appearance for Saint Laurent. There were many more notable celebs who attended the fashion show. And of course, were at their stylish best. Talking of the runway trends, first things first, can you believe that the once forgotten jumpsuits made it to the runway? Yes, Saint Laurent designer Anthony Vaccarello presented elevated jumpsuits and cargo pants, blending them into a glamorous lineup of sheer tops and mini dresses. A lot of khaki, white, black, dark orange and red ruled the runway. Dior, on the other hand, showcased an edgy collection that mixed masculine and feminine styles, comprising of long pleated skirts in black mesh, tailored jackets with unfinished edges, and one-shoulder tops. A lot of fashionable mid-sized tote bags also made it to the runway. So far, so good, and a lot awaits us, as the week will culminate on October 3. So stay tuned for more and do subscribe to Shosha for all things fashion and fashion weeks.